Hey guys, welcome back to Kids Cooking with Missy. Today we're making my grandma's gingerbread, but we're missing a few ingredients, so let's go to the store and get them. Now that we're at the store, let's go get the ingredients.
Hi!
Oh my god.
Missy!
Hi buddy.
I lost all my ingredients for our spaghetti. Can you help me?
Yeah,
Okay, let's go.
let's go.
Do you know where they are?
Yeah, okay, first
Where?
we need the pasta, which is over here.
Okay.
Oh. What pasta do you like?
Whoa! Son of a nutcracker, there's a lot of choices. What kind do you like?
I like the angel hair.
Okay, let's go with that.
Okay.
Not really angel's hair. Don't be wrong.
Okay, now let's
we going now?
go get the...
Want to get the marshmallows first?
Yeah.
First, we go here. Oh! Excuse me. What's your color? Where's the mini marshmallows? Oh, God.
We have these ones.
Okay, the biggest substitute.
Yeah.
They're very marshy.
Yeah. Let's find... Oh, this way.
Oh, whoa. No, we gotta find chocolate sauce first.
Yeah.
What? Oh, son of a nutcracker! Look at this. Jakeman's, the best. And it's Canadian too.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the chocolate sauce is right here.
Oh,
What one? Let's put...
there's so many choices at Sobeys.
Yeah.
Which one?
I like...
Might as well go for broke.
Yeah.
This quick. What else? We need chocolate Pop-Tarts.
Chocolate Pop-Tarts.
We need chocolate Pop-Tarts.
Yeah.
Well, that may be tricky to find. Where's the Pop-Tart?
Check down here.
Oh, right here!
Right here.
Whoa,
Buddy.
I missed them. Oh, chocolate Pop-Tarts. Oh, that's s'mores. Want some more? Chocolate fudge. Ooh, you feeling lucky? Go for broke.
Now we need the Smarties.
We need Smarties, or M&M's actually.
M&M.
Yeah, we're gonna go big this time.
Right here.
Okay, I'll go big. Smarties! Where's the M&M's?
Oh, right here.
I'll check on all six.
Right here.
Oh,
Which one?
what do you like? These are on sale. Like those? Oh, look, five. Everybody needs sprinkles.
Sprinkles?
Sprinkles for the top.
Okay, now we gotta find the sprinkles.
Okay, we do. Okay. I'm probably in cake goods. You're a baker.
Yeah, yeah. Let's check the cake mix first.
The elf, the baker, the mama camera taker. See? Oh, you did it!
Yay!
See you next Christmas.